Hey guys, welcome to Steph's Plant Life. On this channel, you'll find simple gardening information that's accessible to everyone. There's nothing fancy here, just regular, everyday, no fuss stuff. I've been gardening for years, but I still don't consider myself an expert. And I'm just hoping to share with you my experiments, successes, and failures. I really go for like an organic gardening and try to be as natural as possible in every aspect of my gardening. And oftentimes on this site, what you'll find are like DIYs and the occasional cooking video that's inspired by the things that I have harvested from the garden. Since I live in the New York area and I'm a crazy plant lady, during the winter months, many of the videos will focus on indoor plants and more specifically plant rescues and also plant care, and obviously just preparing for the next planting season. And I hope you subscribe to this channel, and you can also find me on Instagram. I hope that you come along with me on this journey and share with me your tips and the things that you found. So hope to see you soon. Thanks so much for dropping by. Have a great day. Bye.